Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to see on exciting, news. I think if you are active in LinkedIn, you might have come across this information. So, Abinitio as conducting customer connect. Okay, so in India, so there are two locations announced. So one is Pune and another is Hyderabad. So we'll see. Okay, so we'll see how to register for this event, and then what are the what are the information that can be that are like main key gateways. Okay, key gateways from this event. Okay, so these informations will just I'll just share it with you today, so that you might be aware of this Abinitio community. Okay, so what are the news, like what are the latest news that's going on in Abinitio community. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, you can click on the link above. So I'll just share the Abinitio intro playlist. Okay, so you can click on that and then you can view entire Abinitio questions. Okay, so we'll just start with the sessions. So this one is Abinitio Customer Connect. Okay, so Pune 5th November and then Hyderabad 7th November. Okay, so we have to register for that. So we'll see how to do that. Okay, so I brought the three agendas. Okay, so my like our session's agenda is like, where would I get this update like this? Okay, so like if you are missing these updates, then I will tell you like where to get that. Okay, so and then how to register, and then what's the event about. Okay, so these three questions. Okay, the first one for that. Okay, so where would I get the updates? So for that, go to LinkedIn. Okay, see, if you're a Abinitio professional, see any professionals. Okay, so nowadays even finance and healthcare professionals are opening a LinkedIn account. Okay, so open a LinkedIn account. Okay, so this is like must. Okay, so open that. You'll get all the updates. Okay, so open that and then follow Abinitio professionals. Okay, okay, so so here like this information. Okay, so usually Abinitio customer contact information will be provided by the catalyst team. Okay, so who is responsible for connecting with the customer and then sharing the details about like what are the updates that Abinitio team is working on. Okay, so that person we have one person. Okay, so you can search this person in LinkedIn, you can connect with him. Okay, so Jens Calimere, so he is like he provides this update. Okay, so like now and then he's like, so whenever we have a customer connect, whether in Germany or in London or in wherever. Okay, so this person will provide the update. Okay, so this person you can connect with him and then you can connect with the other Abinitio team people as well. Okay, so in LinkedIn, like follow this person and then you will get the proper update. Okay, so this person has recently posted this this info. Okay, so if you go through this info, you'll come to know. See, he has announced customer count 275, and then Pune is officially full. Okay, so at capacity. So we cannot, if you are in Pune, I don't know, if you are working for some, for example, if you're working in EXL or Unatech or whatever. Okay, so you can check with your organization. Okay, whether they are going to attend the event or not. Okay, so otherwise, if you are in Hyderabad, what you can do is that I'll just tell you the steps. Okay, so like no, he told, no, Jens is like telling Hyderabad we have limited seats. Okay, so we have limited seats remaining. So for requesting. Okay, so for requesting invitation, so we have to mail to this mail ID. Okay, so note down this one, and then how should we do that? Okay, so how to register for this one. So first, if you are in Pune location. Okay, so if you are in Pune, and you are in like some companies like Unatech or EXL or Vichosa. Okay, so check with your manager. Okay, so check with your higher management, and then just so ask them whether they have the they're going to meet. Okay, so ask them there whether they're going to attend the event or not. Okay, so attend it or not. Okay, attend the event or not. Okay, so that they can like loop you in, or if there is any vacancy. Okay, so normally there will be pre-planned. Okay, so some members. Okay, some members, like for example some tech lead in each account. Okay, inside the company might be planned for this event. Okay, so their names will be given to the event. Okay, so we'll get the ID card. Okay, so if your name is if your name is given to that catalyst meeting. Okay, to the event, you will get ID card. Okay, so you will get the Abinitio catalyst connect ID card. Okay, so that you can enter. No, you can enter and you can attend the event. Okay, and third one, if you are in Hyderabad location now. Okay, so if you are in Hyderabad location, uh, okay, so what you can do is that what are company you are working in, okay? So politely ask them to mail, okay? So no, to mail them, okay? Politely ask them, ask the manager, okay? So ask manager to mail to that ID, okay? So this ID, okay, mail to this ID, you know mail this ID, and then request for uh, vacancies, okay? Request for seats, okay? So the seats are limited, so only tech leads, okay, only senior or tech leads, they will be, they have a higher chance of getting the chance, okay? So they have the higher chance. So so that means junior people, junior people, like they can wait, okay? So meanwhile, senior tech leads, they have a higher chance of getting, okay, getting a seat. So because like see, from every company, if your company is using abinitio, okay, for example, let's say Capgemini, okay? So Capgemini is is using abinitio project, okay? So it's no, there are like many abinitio projects inside this company, okay? So you can request your manager in Capgemini, and then you can then management will choose selective candidates, okay, like leads or senior member, okay? So to attend the event, and then to grasp the information, okay? So likewise you can it works, okay? It works likewise, and then the respective person who was selected can go and attend the event, okay? So for Hyderabad it's 7th, and for for Pune it's 5th November, okay? So no, that's how we usually register, okay? So it's through the organization, through organization, like, which uses ab initio, okay? So mainly you can see, even for example, you can go and see, if you're wondering how, like, if you go to the Hunatech page, okay? So Hunatech company page in the LinkedIn, okay? You can see, you can see they have they have attended, okay? So they have attended various ab initio teammates, okay? So you can people who are working in Avuna Tech might know, okay? So they involve those ab initio professionals to the meetings, okay? So that's what, like, that's what the how to register and then how to attend the event, okay? So now third point, okay? So what's the event about? Okay, so what can I get, and then is it useful or not, okay? Because like being a 5 years experience or 7 years or 8 years, like, is it useful for me? Okay, so mainly see, now I will just bring information on Catalyst Connect 2024, okay? So it was in London. So this information is it's like it's from our committee, okay? From committee members, okay? So he has provided. So one guy, like, one professional, like, they have attended the this kind, okay, 274 London, and then this information is provided, okay? See various updates, okay? So mainly, in the event, they will tell on various updates, okay? So various updates which Subnisha is making, okay? Which Subnisha is making, and then the industry, okay? So industry, industry actions, okay? So in our ETL, okay, in the data integration, so what is happening? For example, the adaptation of AI, okay? So AI adaptation, AI, like AI or ML, okay? So this adaptation, how Abnush is integrating into this one, okay? Like, let's see, these informations will be like, will be discussed in this event, okay? So for example, in the Connect 294, if you see, there are a lot of points. I just brought you like main point, okay? So see, cloud migration and monitoring, okay? So in 274 London, okay, London meeting, so they have told, Abnush platform is available in Azure Marketplace, and then the entire co-op, okay? So it's available in GCP. So that means, see, already we know that, already we know it's available in AWS, okay? It's adaptable, okay? So similarly in Azure, okay? Azure and the GCP, okay? Google Cloud Platform, right? So in both of the cloud environment, Ab initio can fit in, okay? So this, our tool, like, this tool can fit in, okay? So that means, uh, like, even when you have a cloud project, okay? So cloud or monitoring project, like, your administration can fit in, and then it can do the ETL pipelines, okay? So it can, like, we can scale, and then you can efficiently execute this pipeline as well, okay? So see, that's why. And then the second point, GD doesn't need a mission anymore, okay? So since we are like like going for the monitoring project, like, everything will be cloud operated, okay? So it can work under containers. That's what we have seen in our the gaming client, okay? So I have uploaded video on a Sony ab initio thing, okay? So I've just attached link above, where Sony is using ab initio. So in that video, we had discussed on the containers part, okay, so Kubernetes and everything. So you can watch that video, okay. So that's what they are saying, okay. So these are like updates. And then other update is that you like chat assistant, okay. So I think many of you might know, when you open the docs.ubuntu.com, okay. So we will get, a chatbot, okay, a virtual chatbot, okay. So you can click on that chatbot and then you can chat with the chatbot, okay. You can, give them some questions and it will answer you, okay. So you can make use of this chatbot, okay. See, for all the, see, for some questions you can use the chatbot, okay. So these are the updates, like there will be, like, there will be many topics discussed there, okay. So in some sessions they will be talking about ML and AI, okay, integration and they, okay, and generally on EC data, okay. So sometimes they will discuss on the EC data, okay. So so whatever products they are, making, they will be discussing that, okay. So main getaway is that, see, getaway from here is that you will get to know the update, okay. See, many of the publisher professionals, uh, they were not sure about this chat assistant, okay. They're not even sure about this page, okay, docs.publisher.com, okay. So that page. So it's good to come, like, get connected with the community member and then understand the updates, okay. So it's like it's highly important, okay. It's highly important that if you like that you stay updated with the, with the latest, like whatever latest news or latest technology they are improving, okay. So your company which is using abinitio, like you will see that like changes in the tools, okay. So being a developer, you will see the tools and the changes, okay. And then, and then you can connect with, see, another advantage is that you can connect with, connect with various professionals, okay. So various administrative professionals all around. So by attending the meeting, okay, so when you go for the meeting, if you go for the catalyst kind, okay, so when you go for the meeting, you will come across various team members, okay. So from various team, so that's like one kind of advantage, okay, apart from the information, everything. So that's it, okay. So just try once, okay. So try once, politely ask your manager and then try once, so that you might get seat, okay. So you might get seat and then you will get the ID card as well, okay. So temporary ID card. So try that once and then get, like, always see, always like get the information from LinkedIn, okay. So get connected, with the various administrative professionals in LinkedIn, and then you can connect with all the administrative professionals, okay, higher management professionals, okay. So that's what, like, I wanted to bring you today. So just see you guys in another video, okay.